All right, here we go, guys. Group break 159 is full. Thank you for filling it up, guys. We have the 5-box mixer in front of me. 15-16 Series 2, 14-15 Artifacts, 11-12 Crown, 17-18 Series 1 Blaster, and a 13-14 Black Diamond. Just going to show the teams they are, so they're all on the right-hand side of the screen here on Breakers and YouTube. Just quickly show it just in case you can't read that. And on Breakers, if you guys want to see, or not Breakers, sorry, Facebook. There you are. Good luck to all, guys. Start with the blasters and work our way down. Good luck to all. What's up, TK? What's up, Ben? I'm not sure if I said hi to you or not. Nice win for your Jackets tonight. Alright, here we go, guys. Oops, sorry, Facebook. Grant Fuhr, double diamond for the Edmonton Oilers. If you don't want your double diamonds, just let me know. I'll ship them to you if you want. Triple diamond for the Philadelphia Flyers, rookie gems, Scott Lawton. Quad diamond for the Winnipeg Jets, Dale Hawerchuk. Quad diamond for the Jets, Dale Hawerchuk. That's the Jets logo on the back. We do the old Jets, go to the new Jets in this room, as you guys know. This pack feels thicker for some reason. Probably because it has a jersey card in it. Jersey card for the St. Louis Blues, 2-color and 1-color, Brett Hall. St. Louis Blues, jersey card, Brett Hall. For Dallas. Ryan Smith for the Oilers, double diamond. Oh, sorry. Double diamond for the Oilers. And all base in the last pack, guys. All base. Just double check the base, make sure I didn't miss anything. Not a bad little blaster. Jersey card, couple double diamonds and a quad. A nice little start to the break. Alright, let's put those over there. And 435 on the blaster. Empty box. Alright, open the bonus pack first. For the Vancouver Canucks, Troy Stetcher, Brock Boeser, and Bo Horvat. And Matthew Barzell, Josh Ho-Sang, Anthony Boulevier for the New York Islanders. Triple. Isles and Canucks in the bonus pack. All right. Lost feed. Oh, you're back. UD game jersey for the Arizona Coyotes, Christian Dvorak. Arizona Coyotes, Christian Dvorak. Jersey card. Base. Brad Marchand, UD portraits for the Boston Bruins. Mad jerseys. Oh, do you have Arizona too? Yeah, nice. First, young guy, not bad. Alexander Nylander. Yeah, thought I was gonna say William there for a second. Alexander Nylander for the Buffalo Sabres. Only sometimes. Not a bad young gun to start off the box. Is it? There's a YouTube stream as well, Dallas, if you want to watch from there as well. You can watch from there and chat and breakers, I guess. Cale Yarncrook, UD canvas for the Nashville Predators. Nikolai Ehlers, Shining Stars red for the Winnipeg Jets. Well, mute one of the streams. Brandon Dubinsky for the Columbus Blue Jackets, UD canvas. Columbus Blue Jackets canvas. Dubinsky. What's up, the Golden Boy? Janne Kukakainen. Janne Kukakainen for the Carolina Hurricanes. Got to get used to saying that. Kukakainen. Carolina Hurricanes, young gun. Who's got Carolina? Grandin. Shining Stars for the Nashville Predators, Victor Arvidsson. All base on that one. First all base pack. This one should have one more young gun. Oh, that is weird. Did we get 3 young guns? Thought you were supposed to get 3 out of that. Guess you're only getting 2. Let me double check the base. I don't think I missed one, but thought you were supposed to get 3. Maybe not. Yeah, but this is the bigger blaster. I had 3 in the other one. This is the jumbo. But maybe it's, yeah. Guess not. Just 2. We got lucky that one time, I guess. Yeah, that's the Canada one, so I don't know if that bonus pack counts. I don't know the exact. I guess so. There's only 10 packs in the box, so it's supposed to be 1 in 4, right, for the young gun. So I guess some you get 3, some you get 2. I guess. All right, guys. Crown Royal 128 is the box number. Been a while since I looked in some Crown. Yeah, right. Log off and go to bed. Let's hope no redemptions. Oops, missed that. For the New York Rangers, Derek Stepan, All the King's Men, jersey card. And I don't know what they call this, parallel blue, I guess. I'm not sure. Brian Strait for the Pittsburgh Penguins. I think this is a parallel because it's a different color than this one. Not sure what they call that parallel that year. Jonathan Blum for the Nashville Predators, jersey and autograph, heirs to the throne. And 2 base on the back. Numbered 39 of 100, John Blum. Jonathan Blum. Heirs to the throne, 39 of 100, Jeff and the Nashville Predators. No, it's hobby. Wendell Clark for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Mythology jersey. Toronto Maple Leafs Mythology jersey. And a TJ Oshie red for the St. Louis Blues. Pretty sure it's hobby. Oh, and we got a redemption. Not bad, though, for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Oh, not a redemption, sorry. It's a dummy card. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Gold auto, numbered 53 of 99. 53 of 99. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. And a Lord of the NHL for the Vancouver Canucks, Roberto Luongo. Not a bad auto there. Marc-Andre Fleury, the Las Vegas Knights goalie now. All right, and that was Crown Royal, guys. Double check the base that I didn't miss any numbered cards or anything. Does this make a difference that it was? Is that a short printed base? Tony Esposito? Over 100? I'll put it in the. I'll double check to see. It might be a short printed base or something. Not sure how the base set worked in this. Dallas. Oh, that's funny.
Be quiet, Dallas. Go check yourself for HIV.
Oh, that was funny. Oops, I put the base in the wrong pile. Alright, guys. Artifacts. 829.
Yeah, old gay.
She was. He was. He addressed Betsy. SP Legends, thanks TK. It's been a while since I've opened 11-12 Crown. Thank you. Appreciate that. My guy had a box, so I grabbed it from him. For the Edmonton Oilers, Adam Oates, Frozen Artifacts, dual jersey. For the Edmonton Oilers, Adam Oates, Frozen Artifacts. For the Washington Capitals, blue, 42 of 85, Alex Ovechkin. Just seeing what if the parallel is called something. I forget what it is in 14-15. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've opened 14-15 artifacts too. For the Vancouver Canucks, 003 of 599, Trevor Linden for the Vancouver Canucks. Sorry, Facebook, I don't think I showed you the Alex Ovechkin. Sorry, I got two streams going at the same time, so sometimes I forget about the other one. It's a new thing we're trying out here. Turn that back that way. Sorry about that. Alexiak. For the Buffalo Sabres, Andre Makarov, 806 of 999 for the Buffalo Sabres. Makarov for the Buffalo Sabres. New York Rangers rookie redemption for the New York Rangers. These might be expired, but maybe they'll be able to get them for you. I'm not sure. If you have a problem with it, I can probably try and see if I can get you something for it or whatever it is. Who has the Rangers? Only sometimes? Yeah. I'll chat with you about it. Treasured Swatches, Antti Artifacts, jersey for the San Jose Sharks. Sorry, Antti I'm not sure if I said that. Antti Treasured Swatches, jersey for the San Jose Sharks. See a patch. You got an auto. Fraser McLaren for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Autofax auto. You love Niemi, Nick. You started that Niemi PC. Henrik Lundqvist, numbered 327 of 999. Artifacts Veterans or whatever they call it. Matt Lindbad for the Boston Bruins, 336 of 999. Wow, this is a bad box of artifacts. Hopefully this last pack has something good in it. And for the Maple Leafs dual jersey, Matt Sundin and Eric Lindros, Tundra Tandems. Dual jersey, Matt Sundin and Eric Lindros. Toronto Maple Leafs had a good box, I guess, but everyone else, not very good. Sorry, my friends. That was an ugly box of artifacts. Why? Oh, yeah, I know. I saw the comment. Yeah, McLaren auto, that's kind of rough. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, guys, that was a terrible box. I'm not one to mince words on that. All right, hopefully the last box, Series 2, 15-16 comes through. 444 is the box number. Glad it didn't end off on artifacts. Hopefully this is much better. Yeah, Marc-Andre Fleury auto is not bad, yeah, but that was a bad box of artifacts. But like I said, I can't control what comes out of the boxes, I'm sorry. I try to pull you guys nice stuff when I can, but we all know there's some dud boxes out there. Here we go. Let's pull a high gloss Young Gun here. You want a refund? Yeah, refund of nothing. Oscar Lindbergh UD Portraits for the New York Rangers. Yeah, I know what happens. That's the 618 David Musil for the Edmonton Oilers, Young Gun. He's in the room. He just hasn't said anything. Brendan Saad, UD Canvas for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Yeah, everybody's here. Columbus Blue Jackets, Brendan Saad Canvas. Nikolai Ehlers, O-Pee-Chee rookie for the Winnipeg Jets. UD Canvas, Joe Thornton for the San Jose Sharks. Yes. You are correct. Martin Jones, San Jose Sharks, updated base. Artemi Panarin, glossy for the Chicago Blackhawks. There you go, Wes. Something for you. Tanner Kiro for the Chicago Blackhawks, Young Gun. Reminder, guys, if you do happen to go hitless with the team in this, meaning getting no cards, you go into our hitless draw that we do approximately every month and a half-ish. The next one will be done in the new year for sure. Rookie UD Portraits, Dylan DeMilo for the San Jose Sharks. So if you don't get a card, you will be in that random. Shea Theodore, Young Gun for the Anaheim Ducks. Shea Theodore, Anaheim Ducks. Jeff Wood, there you go. I think that's the first card for Anaheim. And we have a jersey card for the Philadelphia Flyers. Rookie materials, Anthony Stolarz. Anthony Stolarz, Philadelphia Flyers. Come on, exclusive Young Gun or High Gloss or Acetate or something beautiful to end off this break. Mikko Rantanen, O-Pee-Chee retro rookie for the Colorado Avalanche. Sam Brittain, Young Gun for the Florida Panthers. Florida Panthers I think that's their first card too, only sometimes. What is Edmonton anyway? Kit TNT. Connor Canvas maybe? Matt Molson, UD Canvas for the Buffalo Sabres. Connor canvas would be sick too. Evander Kane for the Buffalo Sabres, UD canvas. Back-to-back canvases for the Buffalo Sabres. I have no idea. Hunter Shinkarik, UD Young Gun for the Vancouver Canucks. Sorry about that. I don't think it was very centered there. Jordan Wheel for the LA Kings, retro rookie. It is so far, Dallas. Chris Weidman for the Ottawa Senators. OPG rookie. Come on, high gloss young gun. Yep, it's a high gloss young gun. It's a high gloss young gun for the New York Islanders, WNY Bad Boys, numbered 6 of only 10. Those are based on the back there, guys. 6 of 10. Adam Pelech. High gloss young gun, 6 of 10. Are these practice box? West, jeez. High gloss young gun, no good, guys, no good. Nobody cares about that. Rough crowd. Adam Pelech, regular young gun for the New York Islanders. Connor McDavid, UD Portraits for the Edmonton Oilers. Oh shit, my phone died. Sorry, Facebook peeps. Matt O'Connor for the Ottawa Senators. A regular rookie. Brock McGinn for the Carolina Hurricanes. LPG rookie. And final pack. I had a feeling a high gloss young gun would come out. I know it's not a big one, but just had a feeling. What's up, Brad? Ravens. Final hit of the break is a Sergei Plotnikov for the Pittsburgh Penguins, UD Portraits. There you go, guys. No randoms to do. High gloss young gun and a Marc-Andre Fleury were the two highlights of that break. Other than that, there wasn't too much more exciting stuff in there. I'm sorry about that. Thanks for those that joined. And those that went hitless, reminder that we will put you into the hitless giveaway to win some boxes, cards, credit, all that kind of stuff. In the middle of January probably will be our next one. Thanks, guys, for joining and filling this up. I appreciate the support, and see you guys soon. Thank you very much. Peace.